Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Our topic for tonight is about Usana. Everything we do helps you love life and live it.
24 years ago, nutritional science changed forever. Usana's power to illuminate the potential of everyone around us lies in a single idea: that the foundation of health is the cell, and that the cell contains incredible power. It is our passion to understand it, support it, and unleash it. 24 years ago, we learned how to nourish the cell. We learned how to defend it with advanced antioxidant support. Others scrambled to follow in our footsteps, but we had only begun. Over the last 2 decades, as Usana's mission expanded across the globe, our science has probed ever deeper into the mysteries of the cell. Harnessing breakthroughs in molecular biology and cell signaling, Usana has unlocked the new frontier of the health sciences with the science of intelligence. System inside the cell. This optimizes the body's amazing power to protect and renew itself. Of cellular intelligence. At Usana, everything we do helps you love life and live it. Today, we'll change it again. With intelligence.
how scary it is to hear someone getting a fracture simply from coughing. This is not a joke and it's actually quite common. What could be the reason? Weakening of bone. And that's how a weak bone structure looks like, as I referred to the image. Full of holes. For body to build bone mass, you need a lot of calcium and your body is pretty good at storing them. In fact, 99% of the calcium is stored in your bone and teeth, with only 1% left in your blood to support other body functions, such as breaking down protein. Without sufficient calcium intake, your body will start to pull them from your bone and teeth, resulting in a rapid loss of bone minerals. Your immediate instinct will be replenish your diet with lots of milk. Your diet could already be filled with tons of calcium, but a comprehensive bone support formula should include a balanced diet, exercise, and a quality well-balanced supplement. Or you may think, the more the merrier. Studies have found out that consuming more calcium than magnesium could negatively impact your long-term health, which is why Medicare D is scientifically formulated in a 1:1 ratio to ensure maximum calcium absorption. Medicare D contains a high content of elemental calcium, referred to as calcium that the body will use. While some products may have a high percentage of calcium, it does not mean that your body can use all of them. Moreover, Medicare D also contains vitamin D, which enhances calcium absorption into your bone. Not forgetting, it also contains silicon and boron, which help reduce calcium excretion and promote bone growth. Some of you may be wondering if there's a best age to take a calcium supplement. There's no best age. You need it throughout your life. The older you get, the more you need. New bones are always built to replace old bones. And in 10 years, you will have a completely new skeleton. You will reach your peak bone mass between 25 to 30 years old. Hence, it is important to build a strong bone mineral during your 20s. Imagine your bone is your bank account. The more you save, the more reserve you have when you're older. The older you get, the more crucial it is to take more calcium to sustain your bone mineral so that it does not lose too quickly. Compared to men, women tend to lose bone mass more quickly after menopause, which is why sufficient calcium supplementation is important to reduce the risk of rapid bone mass loss. Other risk factors for rapid bone mass also include family history, inadequate intake of dietary calcium, low intake of vitamin D, smoking, excessive drinking, too much caffeine intake, lack of exercise, and last but not least, age could also play a determining factor. Now you know the importance of calcium and how to choose the right calcium supplement for your bone. Remember, it's like an investment for your retirement.
Yay! Kakain na si nanay. Rice with cookie non and proflavanol C100. Yes, there you go. Para lalakas ang katawan ni nanay. Okay, Nay? Nay? Hello! Hello, hello, hello! Ay! Smile! Yan. Nanay ng rice with cookie non. malakas ka na ya. Kain pa more. Ayan. Ayan. Chew, chew, chew. Ayan. Very good.
Are you all my personal
Pampalakas ng katawan. Kusinon is the best. Ayan. Wow. Kain ka na ng marami para lalong lalakas ang katawan mo. Come
Everything you know
on.
is in your mind.
Eat for more. Wala na, Nay? Okay, you go. Wow. Choo choo. Choo choo choo. Wow, galing-galing. Thank you, Usana. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And thank you, Usana. Yan po yung experience ko na about sa Usana. Nung pinagamit ko yung mother ko, at least humaba pa yung buhay niya kahit 1 year siyang bed rest.